In this video, we'll be comparing two AI-powered video creation tools, Crayo AI and Vidyo AI. Let's first start with Crayo AI. Crayo.ai is an AI-powered platform designed to simplify the creation of engaging short-form content for social media platforms. It offers a suite of tools, including AI voiceovers, subtitles, and video editing features, to help users generate viral clips quickly and efficiently. Crayo aims to streamline the content creation process, eliminating the need for manual tasks such as stitching clips or adding subtitles. The platform provides various features like split-screen videos, fake text videos, and AI avatars to cater to different content styles. Crayo's founders emphasize its effectiveness in boosting content viewership and revenue for creators, highlighting their own experiences with the platform. The text concludes with a call to action, inviting users to try Crayo and join their Discord community, ultimately promoting the platform as a user-friendly and powerful solution for producing viral short-form content. Next, let's talk about Vidyo AI. Vidyo.ai is a video AI repurposing platform that helps creators and marketers transform their long-form videos into shorter, social media-ready clips. The platform utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to automate tasks such as video clipping, subtitling, adding emojis, and creating social media descriptions. Vidyo.ai also offers features such as a B-roll library, brand templates, and a social media scheduler, all aimed at simplifying the content creation process and boosting reach. Testimonials from satisfied users highlight how Vidyo.ai has helped them save time, increase their views, and improve their content creation workflow. The platform also includes a robust FAQ section and emphasizes its user-friendliness, making it accessible even for beginners. Let's compare the pricing between the two. Crayo AI offers 3 distinct tiers, each tailored to different users based on their content creation requirements. Hobby Plan. If you're just getting started with clipping and editing, the Hobby Plan is perfect for you. For just $13.30 a month when billed annually, you get all the essentials: 40 minutes of export time, 30 minutes of voiceover generation, 10 minutes of AI avatar usage, 100 AI-generated images. This plan is designed for content creators who are just beginning their journey. Ideal if you're looking to experiment without breaking the bank. Plus, with an annual plan, you save 30%. Clipper Plan. Next, we have the Clipper Plan, the most popular choice for a reason. For $27.25 a month billed annually, this plan is made for content creators who are consistently producing viral clips. Here's what you get: 2 hours of export time, 120 minutes of voiceover generation, 30 minutes of AI avatar usage, 300 AI images. This tier is perfect for anyone who's scaling up their content creation and looking to maximize value. Save 30% when you go annual. Pro Plan finally. For those scaling to massive audiences, there's the Pro Plan. At $55.33 per month when billed annually, this plan is designed for creators aiming for millions of views. It includes 3 hours of export time, 180 minutes of voiceover generation, 60 minutes of AI avatar usage, 500 AI images. This plan is a powerhouse for serious creators who need more resources and flexibility. Again, you save 30% by going with an annual subscription. Key considerations. No free tier. Crayo.ai doesn't offer a free option, so you'll need to choose one of these paid tiers. Annual discounts. All plans come with a significant 30% discount if you opt for annual billing. Export time and AI features. As you move up the tiers, you'll notice a significant increase in export time, voiceover minutes, AI avatar usage, and the number of AI-generated images, giving you more tools to create high-quality content at scale. Let's break down the Vidyo AI pricing plans to help you decide which one suits your content creation needs best. Whether you're a beginner or managing multiple accounts for a team, there's a plan designed for you. Free Plan. If you're just starting out, the free plan is a great way to test out Vidyo AI at no cost. Here's what you get: 75 minutes of video uploads per month, 720p render quality, short video clips, automatic YouTube, chapter creation, direct publishing to TikTok, a watermark on videos, This plan is perfect for beginners who want to explore the platform without committing to a paid plan. Growth Plan, which is the most popular for those looking to level up. The Growth Plan is just $25 per month. It's packed with features to streamline your content creation. 600 minutes of uploads per month, unlimited 1080p video clips. One-click scheduling to 6+ platforms. Social media content planner, Vidyo AI content assistant, custom brand kit and templates, AI-generated hashtags, captions, and descriptions. Downloadable video transcripts, social media analytics, coming soon. No watermark. This plan is perfect for growing creators who want to optimize and automate their social media content. Teams Plan for collaborators. Managing a team? The Teams Plan is customizable based on your needs, with a minimum of 3 seats, and includes everything in the Growth Plan. Plus, manage multiple social media accounts for up to 5 people, multiple brand kits, up to 5. This custom plan is designed for teams managing multiple brands or social media accounts and for power users. Let's compare the key features between Crayo AI and Vidyo AI. Crayo AI is designed to generate limitless short-form videos using AI, making content creation quick and efficient. It offers automatic captions, effects, and music, combined with a voice narrator and script generator to streamline the creative process. The platform provides customization options and allows fast exports in various formats, perfect for social media content creators looking to optimize their workflow. Key features include unlimited video generation, auto-generated captions and effects, integrated voice narrator, video background, script generator, multi-format video export options. Vidyo AI focuses on transforming long-form videos and podcasts into engaging short clips tailored for viral platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It features advanced AI tools such as Cut Magic and IntelliClips for intelligent editing, along with AI-powered captions, virality predictions, and brand templates to help users create professional and highly shareable content. Key features include Cut Magic and IntelliClips for smart editing, AI-generated emojis and captions, virality prediction with AI virality score, auto video chapters and content repurposing social media templates and brand customization B-rolls library and instant resizing for various platforms. When comparing these two, Crayo AI excels in seamless video generation for social media with its unlimited content creation capabilities and simplified script and voice tools. On the other hand, Vidyo AI offers a more specialized approach, turning long-form content into short, viral clips with advanced AI-driven editing features like Cut Magic and its AI virality score, which helps predict content performance on social platforms. Let's compare the pros and cons of Crayo AI and Vidyo AI. Pros of Crayo AI include: offers flexible pricing with various packages that cater to different usage levels, comes with a wide range of AI-powered tools such as video creation, script generation, voiceover, and image processing. Higher tier plans include unlimited scripts, export minutes, and generous allowances for AI images. Features an intuitive interface, making it accessible for users with diverse technical skills. Cons of Crayo AI include: might not be cost-effective for users with minimal usage due to base package pricing. Advanced options like unlimited scripts are locked behind higher-tier plans. Users new to AI-driven video creation might face a learning curve. Pros of Vidyo AI include: AI-driven tools like Cut Magic and IntelliClips simplify complex editing tasks. Automates processes like subtitle generation, emoji integration, and creating branded content templates. Built-in virality predictions and social media templates enhance content distribution. Cons of Vidyo AI include: may present a learning curve for users unfamiliar with AI video editing. Relies heavily on AI accuracy for tasks such as clipping and captioning. The extensive feature set could overwhelm users looking for simpler editing solutions. Both platforms offer robust tools, but Crayo AI shines in ease of use for content creators, while Vidyo AI specializes in repurposing long-form content with advanced editing features. If we compare the target user groups for each platform, Crayo AI is best suited for content creators, social media managers, marketing professionals, video producers, videographers. On the other hand, Vidyo AI caters more to podcasters, agencies, Zoom webinar repurposers, marketers, video creators, small businesses. Both platforms share many similarities, but they serve slightly different audiences based on their unique features and focus areas. Thanks for watching this video. We hope this comparison between Crayo AI and Vidyo AI helped you decide which platform fits your needs best. If you're interested in trying out either software, check out the links below to sign up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.